Inside this box is something we are very excited to show you. Over the last few months, we have created an AutoID wheel. So no messing about, let's get this popped open and show you guys what we've been working on. This right here is the AutoID X Bola AU10 brand new wheel, and it looks absolutely stunning. Before we get these fitted to some cars so you guys can see what they look like, I just want to talk about why we've actually created these. We're coming up to our 10-year anniversary and we wanted to celebrate this by dropping a set of limited edition wheels. These are going to be limited to around 50 sets, and we've collaborated with the guys over at Bola to create an affordable yet premium looking wheel, and it's flow forged, so it's still very lightweight. These are available in 3 different finishes. Right here I've got the white gold, and they look so clean. Arguably the best finish, the most exclusive finish, because you don't really see wheels in this color. We've also got liquid metal, which is a very nice finish. Looks silver, but a little bit chromy at the same time. And lastly, we've got soft satin black for those guys that just want to look aggressive. Just a little bit on the design of the wheel. It's got 5 spokes and they are a Y design. Nice thing about these is if you've got a nice set of brakes, it's going to expose them absolutely beautifully. Most stock car wheels always hide the brake calipers, whereas this is going to do an absolutely amazing job of making them look really good. So we're excited to get them on the F40 today because that has got a very nice set of brake calipers. In terms of sizing, these are limited to just 5x112 PCD cars, which means they're going to fit the whole VAG line of cars like your Golfs, S3s and stuff like that. And when it comes to BMWs, they're going to fit all of the new BMW hot hatches as well. They're going to be available in 18-inch as well as 19-inch with the whips and the offset completely adjustable to make sure your fitment is absolutely perfect. And you haven't got to worry about giving us your specs because we can generate the specs for you to make sure your fitment is bang on. So I mentioned earlier that the new AutoID wheels are flow forged, which means they're significantly lighter than what a cast alloy would be. These are a set of F40 M135 stock alloys and they are cast. So now we're going to weigh this and see how that compares to the new AutoID wheels. That is coming in at 12.9 kg, as you can see there. Now let's get the exact same size wheel and get it on the scales now. Now it's time to weigh the new AutoID wheels. These are the exact same spec and hopefully they're actually lighter. They're coming in at 10.6 kg. That's a 2k weight saving, 2 kg weight saving. That's actually pretty good. 8 kg unsprung weight saved is actually a hell of a lot. One thing I do really like about the wheels is the center cap. Most wheels when you're buying them now come with a crappy plastic center cap, but we've gone for a metal AutoID center cap and that looks amazing. It's time to get these wheels actually fitted to a car so you guys can see what they look like. The Golf R is getting a set of liquid metal, which are going to look absolutely amazing against the satin black, so I'm excited to see that. And Sam's F40 is getting the soft satin blacks, which are going to look beautifully aggressive. So I'm just going to open the set of soft satin black so you guys can see what they look like as well. They look nice in the satin black, I'm not going to lie, they look clean. Look at them. Very nice. I think these are going to suit the F40 so nicely. Benen's currently running a set of T37s, which are his dream wheels. I love these wheels to bits, they look so nice. But as you can see, they're absolutely filthy. We're coming into winter now. He didn't want to ruin them, but he wanted to opt for a premium wheel that he can run over the winter that's going to be a fair bit cheaper than what these wheels are. That's why we're swapping them over today. The F40 comes with these tragic wheels, so there's clearly an obvious reason why we're upgrading to the AU10s today. So our tyre guys just turned up. It's time to get new wheels on these cars.
Fast forward a couple of days, we've got this F40 in for lowering springs, but we're also going to fit some Bola X AutoID wheels. Tyre man is here. Kai's currently fitting springs to this, so we're going to come back down once this is all fitted and see how it looks. Just like Sam, this customer has opted for the satin black version of these wheels. I think that is going to look so good on the black F40. So like the F70, the F40 also has really big brake calipers, and these wheels have no problem clearing the brakes, and they show off the calipers really nicely. Kai's going to get the rest of these wheels all tightened up, then we're going to get the car lowered down and show you all what it looks like. Nath and me are going to take out the Golf and the F70 for a photo shoot to see what these look like in the daylight, but under the unit lighting, especially the silver, these look unreal.
So both sets of wheels have just been fitted on the cars and they look amazing. Let's take a look at the Golf first. I absolutely love the finish on the Golf with the liquid metal. It looks so nice, premium, classy. It looks very expensive, but in reality it's not. And I think these sort of lines and stuff perfectly complement this car. I think the soft satin black works really well on the F70 because this car isn't that aggressive, and these wheels make it feel more aggressive, to be honest, while still looking quite premium. Arguably though, I think the liquid silver looked that one step classier. One thing to note though, the brakes on the F70 are huge from factory. And with the factory wheels, you can't really notice how good they actually look. Now these wheels are a lot more open, the spokes are a little wider, and it exposes that massive brake caliper beautifully, making it look even more aggressive. We're really happy with how these wheels turned out. It's something that we wanted to do for our 10-year anniversary, and it's probably not something we're going to do again. So these wheels are going to be a very limited run. They're in stock, worldwide shipping available. So make sure you do get involved while the stock lasts on them. These wheels will fit loads of different cars, so I'll put all the models up on the screen now. If you're worried about any fitments, what sizes to get or anything like that, just drop a member of our team a message and they'll be able to help you out. And on that note, we'll catch you guys next Sunday at 4 PM for the next video.